Now, INEC says that the election is inconclusive because the difference in vote is actually less than the number of cancelled votes. From a legal standpoint, can you actually elaborate on this? Because this is causing some form of confusion. Because, I mean, we've seen this happen before in the case of Osun, whereby cancelled votes actually went to the party, PDP at the time, and he ended up as the winner. So in this case, what does this mean for Osun State?
Well, I think that there are laws which allow, the state of the law allows INEC to declare an election inconclusive under the appropriate circumstances and to fix a date for rerun elections. The constitutionality or the legality of these provisions is something that opinions are not we have divided opinions. For instance, you would recall that about 2 years ago, in Kogi State, during the process of the election, the leading candidate died, and INEC was forced to declare the election inconclusive. There was a similar reason given, that the margin of win between the two leading candidates was less than the number of registered voters in the constituencies where elections did not hold or were cancelled. And it became the subject of challenge in court, and unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on what side of the divide you belong to, the Supreme Court eventually, in Falike and INEC, upheld INEC's actions, held that it was right for INEC to cancel the election and to declare same inconclusive and hold a runoff election. Personally speaking, I do not agree, for instance, with INEC in the Kogi case, because the margin of win between the two leading candidates was about 28,000 votes, and there were about 20 or 21,000.
In this case, it was a lot closer. It was 350.
In this case, maybe it's justifiable in the circumstances in which INEC found itself. There were about 300 plus votes.
353.
Slightly over 300.
So I think in this circumstance, it may be reasonable to say that INEC had come to the right decision in deciding to cancel the election, to declare the election inconclusive and hold a rerun.